The soothing sound of rain. The sounds to go to sleep by. A Ron's Beer production. The sounds of rain. And being a Ron's Beer video, as soothing and boring as it may be, we will show a beer. A Narragansett from Rhode Island, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Yes. Hi neighbor. Have an enjoyable sleep till tomorrow a.m. The beer will help. The sounds of rain. Quick, wake the cameraman, quick, wake the cameraman, wake him up. If you can't have a beer while you're sleeping, dream of a beer. Dream of your favorite beer. A stout, a porter, a bock, a lager. All kinds of craft beers with blueberries and honey, and even coconut. Dream of a beer that you enjoy in the rain. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.